Hi, kindergarten. Today during our number talks, we are going to solve a math story problem. All right, I'm going to go ahead and read the story problem, and then I'll be asking you a series of questions to help me solve it. I'll need your detective help to help me figure it out. All right. Des baked 9 chocolate chip cookies. How many cookies did Des bake? 9. She was hungry and ate 4 cookies. Ooh, I would definitely get hungry. How many cookies did she end up eating? 4, you're right. The question is, how many cookies are left? So, how many cookies does Des still have? All right, so step 1 when we are solving a math story problem, we need to find all the important information. So I'm going to go ahead and take my marker and I'm going to find the important information. Let's go to the first sentence. Des baked 9 chocolate chip cookies. Des baked 9 chocolate chip cookies. What in that sentence is important? What do I need to remember? Oh, 9. She baked 9 chocolate chip cookies, so I need to know the number 9. I'm going to go ahead and circle it. All right, let's go to the next sentence. She was hungry and ate 4 cookies. So it sounds like she's hungry and she ate some cookies. What's important in that sentence that I would need to circle? Oh, that she ate 4 cookies. So I'll go ahead and circle the 4. Now we're to our question. So I'm going to underline our question to make sure I know what is being asked of me. How many cookies are left? So the question is, how many cookies are left? Now, the next step, we have to pick a strategy. How are we going to solve our problem? Our strategy for today is going to be drawing. We are going to draw and to help us solve this math problem. So I'm going to go ahead and write draw. Now, we found the important information. We underlined the question. Then we picked out our strategy, which is draw. Now we've got to show our strategy in this box. So what is the first thing I need to do? If you said draw the 9 cookies that Des baked, good job. That's exactly what I need to do. So I'm going to go ahead and draw my 9 cookies. Please help me count my 9 cookies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And just to give a little detail, I'm going to go and put a couple of chocolate chips on these cookies. This is making me want to go eat some chocolate chip cookies now. All right, so we've got 9 chocolate chip cookies. All right, so I did that part. What do I need to do next? Oh, she ate 4 cookies. So she ate 4 cookies. What should I do? Should I draw 4 more cookies? Or do I need to cross off 4 cookies because she ate them? And the question is, how many cookies are left? So I've got to find out, after she ate all those cookies, the 4 cookies, how many did she have left? Because maybe she wanted to give some to her friends, or her mom or dad, or her brother or sister. So you said that I need to cross off 4 cookies. You're right, because she ate them. They're gone. So I got to take those 4 away. All right, please help me cross off 4 cookies. 1, 2, 3, 4. I crossed off 4 cookies. how many cookies are left? How many cookies does Des still have that she can give to other people or she can eat later on? What should I do to find out my answer? Count. Please help me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Des has 5 cookies left. So I'm going to go ahead and write 5 because 5 is my answer. Now, the next thing we have to do is to write an equation in our box to show what we did. So, this is something that we are learning about, is subtraction. Now, we started out our starting number, our total number of cookies. How many cookies did we start out with? What was our total? 9. Yeah, Des had 9 cookies at the very beginning. Remember that? Des baked 9 chocolate chip cookies. And then, what did she do? She ate 4 cookies. She ate them. And when you eat them, they go where? They go away. You take them away. So I've got to do take away, minus, subtract. 9 minus 4. You're right. 9 minus 4 because she ate 4 cookies. So I do 9 minus 4. And what does 9 minus 4 equal? 5. 9 minus 4 equals 5. But 5 what? 5 dogs? 5 balloons? 5 apples? Oh, 5 cookies. So I got to make sure I label my answer. 9 minus 4 equals 5 cookies. So I'll write cookies. So we solved our problem, but the last step that is so important is that we explain exactly what we did, step by step. And I do that using my transition words. Don't forget those transition words. So, what is the first thing we did? First thing we did was read the story problem. So, first, we read the problem. After we read the problem, what did we do? We found the important information. You're right. So the next thing we did, next, transition word, next, we found the important information. And when we found the important information, what did we also underline? Our question. So next, we found the important information and the question. End of my sentence. Better put a comma there. After we found the important information, underline our question, what did we decide on? What did we do next? Oh, then we found our strategy. And what was our strategy? To draw. So, I'm going to write, then we chose a strategy to draw. End of my sentence. After we chose our strategy, what did we do? Yeah, we drew 9 cookies. Next, we drew 9 cookies. And when we drew the 9 cookies, we had to do what? We crossed off the 4 she ate. So, next we drew 9 cookies and crossed off the 4 cookies Des ate. After we crossed off the 4 cookies that Des ate, we found our answer. And when we found our answer, what did we do? Yeah, we counted to find our answer. So, after we drew the 9 cookies and crossed off the 4 cookies Des ate, we found our answer. We found our answer. And what was our answer again? Yep. Des still had 5 cookies. Des still had 5 cookies left. Let's write our equation one more time to show we know. 9 minus 4 cookies that Des ate equals 5 cookies left. Nice work today. This is the steps to solve our story math problem. And it's great skills to have. And there's different ways we could have solved this problem. Today we chose to draw, but we could have used a 10 frame. We could have used our hands. We could have used different manipulatives like grab 9 pens or 9 crayons, then taken 4 away. There's different ways we can solve it. Today we happen to choose draw. Great work today. Thanks for helping me.